Welcome back to Growvestor, where we break down smart money moves, simplify investing, and help you grow your financial future one step at a time. If you've ever wondered how millionaires think differently about money, and more importantly, how they'd invest just $1,000 in today's economy, then you're in the right place. This is your ultimate 2025 beginner blueprint to smart investing. No fluff, no hype, just a step-by-step approach inspired by real millionaire strategies. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to make smarter decisions with your money, this video is going to shift your mindset and give you a crystal clear path to start building wealth today. Step 1. Invest in self-education, $100. The first step might surprise you, but it's foundational. Before investing in the stock market, crypto, or even a side hustle, millionaires often start by investing in knowledge. Allocate $100 to learning. That could mean buying books on personal finance, taking an online course on investing, or subscribing to a high-quality financial platform. The reason is simple. When you know how money works, you reduce your chances of making emotional, fear-based decisions, which is where most people lose money. Self-education is the gateway to financial independence. Think about how many costly mistakes you can avoid just by learning how taxes work, how compound interest grows over time, or how market cycles operate. This small investment can literally save, or make, you thousands over your lifetime. Warren Buffett himself has said, the best investment you can make is in yourself, and that still holds true in 2025. Remember, the smarter you get, the better your decisions become. Step 2. Invest in index funds, $400. Next, let's talk about stability. Millionaires are not gamblers, they are long-term thinkers. One of their favorite tools is the index fund, and with good reason. Allocate $400 here. These funds, like the S&P 500 or a total market ETF, are essentially baskets of the world's top-performing companies, offering instant diversification with minimal fees. Why do millionaires love them? Because they work. Over decades, index funds have outperformed the majority of actively managed funds. They provide steady, compounded growth without requiring constant management. This is the part of your portfolio that works quietly in the background while you live your life. Even with market dips or corrections, history shows that the market always recovers over the long run. For a beginner investor in 2025, this is one of the safest, smartest ways to build wealth steadily and passively. Step 3. Invest in innovation and growth sectors, $200. Now that you've covered the foundation, it's time to add some growth potential. In 2025, innovation is booming in ways we've never seen before. Sectors like artificial intelligence, clean energy, biotechnology, and space exploration are not just headlines, they are transforming industries. Allocate $200 here, but do it strategically. Millionaires don't just follow trends blindly. They do research, understand market timing, and most importantly, they invest in teams and execution, not just ideas. So whether it's a clean energy ETF or a promising AI startup stock, the goal here is exposure to future-forward industries. These investments carry higher risk, yes, but they also carry the potential for outsized returns. It's the part of your portfolio that might not move much today, but could become a game changer in 5 to 10 years. Step 4. Invest in digital assets, $150. Let's talk about crypto, because whether you love it or fear it, you can't ignore it. Blockchain technology is no longer just a speculative trend. It's being adopted in banking, logistics, gaming, and even national currencies. With $150, you can start gaining exposure to digital assets responsibly. Millionaires don't put all their money in crypto, but they usually allocate a small percentage of their portfolio to high-upside digital plays. For beginners in 2025, this means sticking to blue-chip assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum. These are the most established, most secure networks in the crypto space. While volatility is still real, these assets are maturing. Think of this portion as your moonshot bet, but one that's informed, calculated, and properly sized. Remember, never invest more than you can afford to lose in this space. But also, don't sit on the sidelines because of fear. Millionaires take measured risks when the upside is transformational. Step 5. Invest in your personal brand, $150. Here's a powerful move most beginners completely miss. Yet it's something every millionaire understands deeply. You are your greatest asset. Use your final $150 to build your personal brand or launch a small online income stream. That could mean setting up a website, creating a YouTube channel like Growvestor, purchasing design software, or even hiring a freelancer to help develop a product or brand identity. Why is this so important? Because your ability to earn more income will always have more impact on your wealth than trying to save or invest your way to financial freedom. Millionaires don't rely on just one stream of income. They create multiple, and often that starts with a brand. In 2025, digital identity matters. People do business with people they trust. When you build trust, you build opportunity. If you got value from this video, give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a drop from Growvestor.